Hello, teacher.
Welcome to VIệu speaking test today. Could you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Kate. I'm 11 years old. I am grade 5. My school name is MAI NHG. In my free time, I listening to music.
Right, good enough. So, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Chicken. Okay. So, what is the first step to make chicken?
First, I bought the chicken in the supermarket.
Yeah, I buy chicken in the supermarket. Where is your school bag made?
My school bag made in China.
China, right? Now, I have two pictures right here. There are some differences between them, and I want you to identify 4 differences. Let's go.
In the picture A, there is a museum, but in the picture B, there is a hospital.
Hospital.
In the picture A, the man is go inside a college, but in the picture B, the man is go outside the college. In the picture A, the umbrella is closed.
The umbrella is closed.
Yeah.
Okay.
But in the picture B, the umbrella is open. In the picture A, 2 girls is standing and
2 girls
girls are standing and talking. But in the picture B, 2 girls are sitting and talking.
Okay, very good. Now let's move to the information exchange part. First, I will ask you some questions about Daniel's favorite food, and you will answer my questions, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, so what is Daniel's favorite food?
His favorite food, spaghetti.
Okay, it's spaghetti. When does he eat it?
He eats it in the afternoon.
The afternoon. Where is it made?
It is made in Italy.
Yeah, Italy. What ingredients does it have?
It has noodle, beef, tomato, and sauce.
Yeah, tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Okay. How many steps are there to make it?
There are 6 steps.
Okay, there are 6 steps to make it. Now, it's your turn to ask me about Jenny's favorite food, and I will answer yours.
What is Jenny's favorite food?
Okay, her favorite food is hamburger.
When Jenny eats hamburger.
Okay, she eats hamburger in the morning.
Where the hamburger made in?
Yeah, it is made in the USA.
What hamburger ingredient?
Okay, there are bread, beef, and cheese.
How many steps are there?
There are 5 steps to make it. Okay? Now, the last part of your speaking test, I want you to talk about your favorite food and how to make it. Okay.
My favorite boiled egg. First, I put some eggs into a cooking pot. Next, I put the cooking pot on the gas stove for 10 minutes. Finally, I put the eggs into the bowl.
That's all.
That's all.
Wow. Pretty simple. But that's good. And that is the end of our speaking test today, everyone. Thank you, Kate, for coming. Now let's say goodbye to our audience.
Goodbye.